In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync linked records from Google Sheets to Airtable. Whether you're managing a team project or just trying to streamline your data workflow, this guide will help you connect these two powerful tools seamlessly. To start off, we'll need to open Airtable. Head over to the Airtable website and you'll be greeted with their clean, intuitive homepage. The next step is to click on the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. If you haven't already logged into your account, you'll need to enter your credentials on the login page. Once you've filled in your email and password, click Continue. This will take you directly to your Airtable workspace. With your workspace open, locate the specific table you wish to sync with Google Sheets. If you have multiple tables, make sure to select the correct one by clicking on its name. After you've accessed your table, look for the Extensions option, which is usually found in the toolbar. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll want to choose Add an Extension to proceed with the integration process. In the search bar that appears, type Data Fetcher, a powerful tool that allows Airtable to fetch and update data from various sources. Click on the Add button next to Data Fetcher to install this extension. With the extension added, follow the prompts to integrate it into your table by clicking Add Extension. Now you'll need to create a Data Fetcher account if you haven't done so already. This is essential for setting up the integration. Locate the Sign Up for Free button and click it to begin creating your account. Once registered, you'll be prompted to create your first request. This is where you'll instruct Airtable on how to interact with your Google Sheets data. In the request fields, type in Google Sheets to specify the data source. After entering the search term, hit the Google Sheets option that appears. You'll then create a new connection between Airtable and Google Sheets by selecting New Google Sheets Connection. This link will allow the two platforms to share data updates. Before leaving the setup screen, remember to click Save to ensure all your settings and connections are securely stored. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully synced your Google Sheets with Airtable, creating a dynamic and powerful data management setup across platforms. I hope this guide was clear and helpful, and that you now feel confident integrating Google Sheets with Airtable. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.